This error right here is one of two different accessibility issues related to images that Canvas will flag, and it just relates to the length of our alt text. While we want our alt text to be descriptive, we also want to make sure that it's not unnecessarily long. So right here, for example, we have very lengthy alt text describing the many features of Old Main, their surroundings, but really we can describe it a lot more simply with something like USU's Old Main on a foggy day. So to fix that error, we can just go right into this box and change the alt text right here. And then we can just click this button and apply it. Occasionally, there may be times when your alt text needs to be longer than 120 characters. If you have a complicated image or something like that, in order to convey all of the necessary information. So in those cases, when you can't really shorten your alt text without removing important elements of the image, it is okay to keep the alt text you have and then just ignore this issue.